Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JR. I just woke up. I didn't even complete that. From JREAMERS. Woke up late. Oh my god. All out here exposed. Got your crotch in the area. Oh my god. We're gonna be watching Wendy's Wish You Well. Wish You Hell. Oh damn. Okay. I knew that, but I don't know why. Wish You Well has always been a thing that I've seen. I never said that a lot. I never even said Wish You Hell. Why is she wishing hell? Oh my god. Who pissed you off? Society? Probably. Anyways, we're gonna be checking this out, guys. If you haven't already, go check out my Patreon, link in description. Go, it's for free. You can become a member for free. You can also subscribe for $1, just helping out your boy, because my channel is basically demonetized from all the copyright. So go to Patreon, support your boy, and I'll probably post more stuff that might even be more stuff behind the scenes, basically. All right, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's switch it up. I'm not gonna let you stare at my boy's crotch unless you've been staring at my boy's crotch for the past many videos. I don't know. Question: is there an album? Did she release an album? Is there an EP? I actually do not know. But first, let's check out "Wish You Hell" in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, butterflies. Moths? Butterflies? Lightning. A lot just happened in that beginning right there. Sorry. Oh, there's on some like Wednesday? Oh, the text is like on some Addams Family type of ish, no? Oh, it's a funeral. It's an overgrown funeral with the plants and nature taking over. Oh. Hold up, turn this up. Oh, it's like alternative rock? Forget the good girl. She's done. Why is the flooring remind me of PewDiePie's? You know what I'm talking about? If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's okay, let's move on. Ooh, so it's her in the casket, right? Oh, she's smiling. Oh, the good girl's dead. Oh, she alive. Oh, that lovely girl she kicked out. Ooh, okay, deep lyrics. Ah, close off. Ooh, she don't. I don't know why I paused that. Oh damn, she is. Ooh. Oh, whoa. Choose the better pill. Chose the bitter pill. Oh my god, there is someone. Yep. Oh, let's just go along this ride. This is hell, basically. In my villain era, I want to be special, I want to be strong. The person I want to be. Aw, it's crying. Dope shot. What an interesting room. I feel like being in that room would make me dizzy. Oh. You got turned like Alice in Wonderland. Oh. What the hell? Oh. Oh, okay, slay. Okay, makeup's on point too. Oh, hello, Wendy. Oh, tarot cards. Stop getting mad, they say. Okay. Same. Facts. You should this man. Oh, it's like a overdone ridden prom. What are those things filled of? The trash bags? Is it all the like trash that should be? What the hell? Drink a bottle to heaven. 0? Like the 0 kind? Like 0 calories? Oh god damn. It's like very old school movie-esque with the whole like not the sound effect. Another janitor. Ooh. Hey, the big bow is kind of slaying, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, I like this sound. Okay, what are we waiting on? Oh, she's just dancing. Okay, never mind. In your own world, do you? Yes. I found myself. I wish you hell. It's good. It's always good to finally find yourself. I feel like people find their true selves around my age, which is in my 30s. I know there's a clip that went viral for Wendy. There's a lot of clips that went viral for Wendy, but we're specifically talking about the one where it's just like, how does turning something about I posted a reaction to it. It's like, how does turning 30 feel like? And she takes a long ass time, and it's the most relatable thing ever. But yeah, I feel like you truly find yourself around that age. Oh, okay. Hey, get it. Wish you hell. Slay. Get it. Do a death drop. Imagine. Oh, so a second mini album actually came out. Ooh. I might have to check that out on Patreon, actually. So be sure to check out Patreon. Link in the description. It is free to join. Also, you can subscribe for $1, just so you can get like things that are, past the paywall. But it's just $1. If you have $1, it's $1. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I know this is about Wendy, but I feel like Red Velvet in general, whether it be solos, including Wendy's solo, has one of the most aesthetically pleasing or different music videos. This one was pretty different. I feel like any song that Wendy comes out with, whether it be Red Velvet or solo or collab, she had a lot of collabs. She had a collab with Ricky Martin and John Legend, which is kind of crazy, and probably more that I never heard of, but every time she's in it, she always pops off for me. I feel like this is not talked about enough, and just hearing her voice in general in this song, a different type of song, I feel like I actually really like it. Like how I feel like, I wonder if she had more creative like freedom in this one. I wonder. I feel like this is the type of song that people will be like belting out in their shower, or just randomly playing while walking the street, and just like, mouthing it, lip syncing it, or even singing it. It's like basically like a dark music video with like fresh vocals. Yeah. Put a comments down below what you guys think of Wendy's Wish You Hell. Again, link in the description to the whole music video. You can like support, stream it. I'm gonna check out the mini album. I'm probably gonna do a first listen and then post it on my Patreon, so be sure to check that out. I'll put it up free, and yeah, I'll be streaming today around 6 p.m. PST. We're gonna be playing some games with the chat, and it should be a good time. Anyways, it's your boy JRE from JREKML. Keep on dreaming, dreamers dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.